In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a video into a GIF on Telegram. Now, in order for us to get this done, what we are going to do is basically upload here a video. I have this particular video right here. As you can see, this is in MP4 format, and you should be able to see here the size of it. And what we are going to do is make sure that it is less than 5 seconds. So to do that one, you can just go ahead and adjust it here. All right, there you go. So now it has become 4 seconds. And as you can see, this one here is still in MP4. If I'm going to click it, you can see that now we are seeing quality. However, in order for us to convert this into a GIF, all we have to do is just mute it. So I have this mute button right here. I can go ahead and basically click that one. And as you can see, after doing so, you are now able to see that now it has become a GIF file. So I can go ahead and send it just like so. And we're just going to wait for this one to be sent. Alright, after sending it, you can see that now the file itself has become a GIF file. So yeah, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.